If you're not familiar, an IDE or Integrated Development Environment is a software application that provides a comprehensive set of tools for software development. As a Kotlin programmer, it is important to choose an IDE that not only provides a rich set of features and tools, but also one that is specifically tailored to support Kotlin development. Please guys, share this video on all your social media platforms, especially to those interested in Kotlin programming. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the main reasons why I've chosen IntelliJ IDEA for this tutorial series. First and foremost, IntelliJ IDEA is developed by JetBrains, the company behind the Kotlin programming language. This means that IntelliJ IDEA is built with native Kotlin support, providing a seamless and intuitive development experience. It comes with features such as code completion, refactoring, and debugging, all specifically designed to support Kotlin development. In addition to its Kotlin-specific features, IntelliJ IDEA also offers a wide range of general programming tools, such as integration with version control systems, support for multiple languages, and an intuitive interface. Another reason why I love using IntelliJ IDEA is its plugin system, which allows you to extend the functionality of the IDE with third-party plugins. This means that you can customize your development environment to fit your specific needs and workflow. Overall, IntelliJ IDEA is a powerful and feature-rich IDE that is specifically tailored to support Kotlin programming. I hope this section has helped you understand why I chose IntelliJ IDEA as my Kotlin programming IDE for this tutorial series.